Welcome back to the motorcycle story. If your service icon is flashing and annoying the hell out of you, don't worry, we've got a fix. In this quick video, I'll show you how to remove the flashing service icon from your meter console in just a few steps. Most modern motorcycles, like the Royal Enfields, KTM's, Yamaha, and Honda models, come with a service reminder light that flashes when your bike hits a service milestone. When you turn on the ignition of the bike, a blinking spanner crops up on your console. Something like this. Sometimes even after you've serviced the bike, the light stays on. So here's how to reset it. No tools required. Just your ignition key and some patience. Turn the ignition on. Do not engine start the bike. Just turn the ignition on. Press the mode button on the left handlebar and hover to trip B. Do not release the mode button. Hold down the mode button for 15 seconds. While holding the mode button, start the engine. Keep holding the mode button for 15 seconds while the bike is in idle mode. Kill the engine by turning off the key. Do not release the mode button. Keep holding the mode button for 30 seconds while the engine is off. Start the engine while holding the mode button for 5 seconds. Voila! The service reminder should be gone. If your bike uses a different sequence, check the manual or drop your model name in the comments. I'll help you out.